Hey everybody, how you doing out there? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading A Christmas Too Big by Colleen Madden. Please enjoy. A Christmas Too Big. La 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 la. Jingle bells, jingle, 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 jingle. Bumper, bumper, bumper. Yahoo! The day after Thanksgiving, my family goes totally berserk with Christmas. My dad becomes a mini light string master. We don't need to replace those twinkle bulbs, Carrie. La 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 la, jingle jingle, snow is falling, la 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 la. Wow, my mom turns into a all I want for Christmas is my spa day, a treadmill, a new micro oven. Because you're better, be good, and really nice. Oh, he's good at no all Christmas, all the time. If you've been up on the housetop, la 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 la, music machine. Keep mixing, Carrie. Holiday cookies invade our kitchen. Huh? Mama. We watch every single Christmas special on every single Christmas channel. And every day, elves, elves, elves. Carrie, can you please help me find my elves again? My little brother hides them all around the house. Then hides them again and again and again. All good gumdrops. We'll take this one. Yeah. The week before Christmas, we bring home our tree and decorate it. Maybe just trim a bit off the top. Wow, epic. Gingerbread. OM gingerbread. It's the biggest Christmas tree ever. How in peppermint are cocoa are we going to hang ornaments on this thing? There's a squirrel up there. We need more lights and the robot penguin carolers. Bare spot. I'll get the tinsel. We can water it with the garden hose. Angel star. Should we have a star or a angel on this year? Can I eat the old candy canes? Elves, 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 elves. Grrr, I'm going outside. Or, Gah, I'm going outside. It seems that everybody is having a Christmas too big. Except my neighbor, Miss Flores. Yes, Christmas. Yes, Christmas. Yes. Hello, Miss Flores. Oh no, I'm Carrillo. I help with the cart, and Miss Flores thanks me in Spanish. Here I go. High fives. T. Gestra. Ana. UN. An. Taco. De. San. Sano. Cuadrado. Miss Flores asked if I like cocoa. Yes, please. CC. Her favor. Miss Flores has a nice house. I look around while she calls my mom to let her know I'm here. Miss Flores has a funny cat called Popcorn. Lamat de Muz in Spanish. Pat for short. Her Christmas tree is trimmed with teeny paper flowers, and that's it. No singing penguins or peppermint candy canes or a zillion lights. I ask about the picture on her wall. Is that your family, Miss Flores? And then Sai Azam Zabu family. She tells me that they are in another country. Los Ex Tundro Macho. I think she must miss her too. I think they must miss her too. Then Miss Flores shows me how to make her beautiful flowers, one colored by the other. Primo, Rosa, Yai, Moda, Lugu, Amarillo. While we work, she sings a song from when she was a little girl. Roja, Morada, Morella, Rosa. In winter, the flowers aren't blooming. They wait for the spring and the sun. They wish for warmth, butterflies kiss, then they dance. Is. Yes, yes, yes. La, la, la. We decorate the house with flowers. A light a special candle for my family. Miss Flowers received a Christmas gift from her family. We opened it. She doesn't know how to use it. I'll do it. Aloud. Aloud. Louis. Mama. Your grandson. Oh, how I miss you both. Son, no, bruh, is Andrews. Hello, Mama. I esta ugrada. Kind of hard to speak Spanish. It was time for me to head home. You wonderful, wonderful girl. Mancha Grace Carey. What a different kind of Christmas. Small and quiet, yet big as the same. La 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 la. Bayala, bayala, snowflakes. Yay, flowers and butterfly kisses. Merry Christmas. Maybe I should find a way to have my own kind of Christmas in my own cozy Christmas house. First, and Marilla, then Roja, and Morad. Everyone loves our new holiday tradition. Mom holds me, light a candle. This is for Miss Flores and her family. Let's invite Miss Flores over for Christmas dinner. We finished decorating our tree. Miss Flores came to my house for Christmas. I've been my casa por Nevada. They're all talking Spanish. I don't know Spanish, people. Well, that was a good book. Kind of at the ending, it had a lot of Spanish words, and I'm not big about speaking Spanish. I never learned it in school, but I tried. But everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one and happy holidays, everybody.